Introducing Forever Fit, an advanced nutritional cleansing and weight management program designed to help you look and feel better in 3 easy-to-follow steps. Clean 9, Fit 1, and Fit 2. Clean 9 will help you begin to remove stored toxins from your body to feel lighter and more energized. Fit 1 will change the way you think and feel about nutrition and exercise and teach you how to make your weight loss sustainable. Fit 2 will help you build lean muscle, tone your body, and complete your transformation. Forever Fit also includes comprehensive fitness and nutrition plans, providing you with a complete solution to look and feel better. Forever Light Ultra is a delicious meal replacement shake. It supports weight loss with 17 grams of high-quality protein, a perfect meal on the go. Forever Garcinia Plus assists in curbing cravings to naturally help suppress appetite and may help to inhibit the body's production of fat from carbohydrates. Forever Therm's powerful thermogenic formula increases your body's temperature to boost metabolism and energy levels. A great way to help accelerate your weight loss efforts when used with a sensible diet and exercise program so you can achieve faster results. Forever Fiber delivers a proprietary blend of 4 types of quick-dissolving fiber to support digestive health and help you feel fuller longer. Mix with aloe, water, or any other beverage with our convenient individual stick packs for use on the go. Forever Aloe Vera Gel supports and soothes the digestive tract to help promote maximum absorption of nutrients. Forever Pro X2 is a delicious high-protein bar that provides 15 grams of high-quality whey and soy protein and 2 grams of fiber in each bar to help build muscle and support weight management. Available in cinnamon and chocolate. The most exciting new innovation from Forever Living Products. The key to transforming your life is Forever Fit.